Hi friends, so this is RK from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to get Siri to read text on your iPhone and iPad.
Option that shows under the backup section. When asked, make sure to create a password.
For times when you wish to read articles with complete peace of mind or go through the long articles without forcing your eyes to get the job done for you, Siri can have a role to play. Yeah, you read that right. You can get Siri to read text on your iOS or iPadOS device. But before going ahead with this relatively hidden iOS feature, you will need to set it up. That's it. Let's get started. First and foremost, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. In the Settings menu, scroll down a bit and choose Accessibility. Under the Written section, you have to choose the Spoken Content option to proceed. Now turn on the toggle right next to Speak Screen and you are all set. Now you can open the app you want to hear read aloud and then say, "Hey Siri, speak screen." Alternatively, you can swipe down from the top of the screen with two fingers to get Siri to read the screen text.
Backup section. When asked, make sure to create a password.
Siri will read what's on the screen. You should also see a pop-up control. You can use it to pause or play or even vary the playback speed and even skip sentences. After a few moments, the control will minimize on the side of the screen, but you can tap it to get it back at any time. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily get Siri to read text on your iPhone and iPad. Now that you have unlocked this pretty cool feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and happy. Bye bye.